अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम पाक 522 के मिड टर्म प्रिपरेशन के हवाले से इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज स्टार्ट करने लगे हैं। लेसन वाइज एमसीक्यू से बनाए जाएंगे। इसका पार्ट 1 है ये, जिसमें लेक्चर नंबर 1 से लेक्चर नंबर 8 तक के तमाम एमसीक्यूज जो हैं वो कवर किए गए हैं। ठीक है, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। आइडियोलॉजी इज बेस्ट डिफाइंड एज सेट ऑफ आइडियाज एंड बिलीव्स दैट गाइड thinking. Ideology provides people with worldview and identity. According to Stephen P. Cohen, ideology is a living force shaping Pakistan. Pakistan ideology is mainly based on religion, Islam. Two-nation theory means Muslims and Hindus are separate nations. Javed Iqbal linked Pakistan ideology with Islamic principles. Shariful Mujahid emphasized two-nation theory. Main purpose of ideology is to unite people. Urdu was chosen in Pakistan because it reflects Muslim culture. Objective Resolution 1949 stated sovereignty belongs to Allah. Culture in ideology includes customs, language, traditions. History in ideology mainly provides legitimacy and identity. Muslim League was formed in 1906. Nehru Report was rejected because it rejected separate electorates. Main founder of Pakistan ideology vision is Allama Iqbal. Ideology helps nation building by providing direction. Pakistan ideology is described as debated and evolving. Religion in Pakistan ideology mainly acts as a unifying force. The decline of Mughal Empire started after the death of Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb's death occurred in 1707. Jagirdari crisis led to corruption and weakness. Nader Shah invaded India in 1739. Battle of Plassey was fought in 1757. Battle of Buxar took place in 1764. Doctrine of lapse was introduced by Lord Dalhousie. Awadh was annexed in 1856. Immediate cause of 1857 war was greased cartridges. Grease of cartridges was believed to be made of cow and pig fat. 1857 revolt started from Meerut. Mughal emperor during 1857 was Bahadur Shah Zafar. Rani Lakshmibai was ruler of Jhansi. British rule after 1857 is called British Raj. Muslims were blamed mainly for 1857 war. Muslims were removed from army and government jobs. English was introduced as official language, replacing Persian. Muslim economic decline was due to British policies. Muslim identity crisis after 1857 was called trauma of defeat. Muslim education refusal led to backwardness. After 1857, Muslims' biggest problem was educational backwardness. British replaced Persian with English. Muslims avoided English education due to fear of Christian conversion. Hindu community mainly benefited from English education. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan belonged to Aligarh movement. Scientific Society was established in 1864. Main purpose of Scientific Society was translation of modern books. MAO College was established in 1875. MAO College was later known as Aligarh Muslim University. All India Mohammedan Educational Conference started in 1886. Sir Sayyid believed solution of Muslims was education. Islamia College Peshawar was established in 1913. Islamia College Peshawar is called Sir Sayyid of Frontier Institution. First official language before British rule was Persian. Muslims' economic decline was due to loss of jobs and education. Aligarh movement aimed to combine modern education and Islam. Muslim political awareness started through Aligarh movement. Muhammadan Educational Conference later helped from Muslim League. Islamia College Peshawar was inspired by Aligarh movement. Main goal of Aligarh movement was educational revival. A nation is defined as a group sharing common culture and political will. Two-nation theory means Muslims and Hindus are separate nations. Father of two-nation theory is Sayyid Ahmad Khan. Muslims first use word nation for Muslims by Sayyid Ahmad Khan. Urdu-Hindi controversy occurred in 1867. Urdu was replaced with Hindi in script demand of Hindus. Al-Biruni studied India in 1030 CE. Al-Biruni is considered early thinker of two-nation idea. Sir Sayyid wrote Asbab-e-Baghawat-e-Hind in 1859. MAO College was founded in 1875. Sir Sayyid's aim was educational reform. Indian National Congress was founded in 1885. Sir Sayyid advised Muslims to stay away from politics. Separate electorates means Muslim elect own representatives. Partition of Bengal happened in 1905. Partition of Bengal was cancelled in 1911. Eastern Bengal was mainly Muslim majority. Swadeshi movement was started by Hindus. Sir Sayyid's Meerut speech was in 1888. Two-nation theory was strengthened by Urdu-Hindi conflict. Separate electorate means Muslims elect their own representatives. Muslims demand separate electorates due to fear of Hindu majority dominance. Similar deputation took place in 1906. Leader of similar deputation was Sir Aga Khan. Muslim League was formed in 1906. First president of Muslim League was Sir Aga Khan. Muslim League was formed at Dhaka. Minto Morley reform were introduced in 1909. First time separate electorates were granted in 1909. Indian National Congress was founded in 1885. Lucknow Pact was signed in 1916. Lucknow Pact was between Congress and Muslim League. Montague-Chelmsford reform came in 1919. Diarchy system was introduced in provinces. Simon Commission was boycotted because no Indians included. Nehru Report was prepared in 1928. Nehru Report rejected separate electorates. Jinnah 14 points were presented in 1929. Jinnah called Nehru Report movement parting of ways. Muslims demand separate electorates to protect political rights. When was the Allama Iqbal address delivered? It delivered in 1930. Who presided over the Allahabad session of Muslim League? Allama Iqbal. Allahabad address is also known as the vision of two-nation theory. Iqbal demanded a separate state for Muslims in northwest India. Which provinces were suggested for Muslim state? Punjab, Sindh, NWFP and Balochistan. Iqbal described India as continent of diverse communities. Iqbal's concept of Muslim unity is based on faith, Islam. What is the meaning of Ummah Muslim global community? Iqbal believed Western democracy in India was unsuitable. Who introduced the name Pakistan? Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. Iqbal called Muslim a separate nation, Millat. Iqbal was elected president of Muslim League in 1930. Iqbal's early poetry shows Indian nationalism plus unity idea. Muslim identity, according to Iqbal, is based on Islam as complete way of life. Allahabad address emphasized Muslim political autonomy. Iqbal's political idea was influenced by Europe. Iqbal's state vision is based on ethical and Islamic principles. Islam is a complete code of life, means religion plus politics plus society. Congress reaction to Allahabad address was opposed. Muslim League reaction was gradually supportive. The Government of India Act 1935 introduced which system in provinces? Provincial autonomy. Diarchy in provinces was abolished by Government of India Act 1935. The proposed All India Federation in 1935 Act was never implemented. Voting rights under 1935 Act were given to 10 to 14% population only. Separate electorates were continued and expanded. Federal Court was established in 1937. The 1937 elections were held under Government of India Act 1935. Congress formed ministries in 6 provinces initially. Muslim League performance in 1973 elections was weak and limited. Congress refused coalition with Muslim League because demand to end separate identity. Diarchy at centers was introduced in Government of India Act 1935. The main demand of Muslim League after 1937 election was Muslim safeguard and autonomy. Congress ministries ruled between 1937 to 1939. Provincial autonomy means elected provincial governments. One major reason for Muslim political insecurities was Congress majority rule. Congress policy during ministries mainly reflected majority rule, Hindu dominance perception. Varda scheme was criticized because it ignored Muslim cultural values. Peerpool Report 1938 highlighted Muslim grievances. Muslim League became stronger after 1937 election. Final political outcomes of 1937 to 1939 Congress rule was strengthening of Muslim League. इसके साथ ही हमारा पार्ट 1 पार्ट 522 सब्जेक्ट के एमसीक्यूज का मुकम्मल होता है। मुझे उम्मीद है कि ये एमसीक्यूज आपके लिए बहुत यूजफुल रहेंगे। इंशाल्लाह इसका नेक्स्ट पार्ट भी मैं जल्द अपलोड कर दूंगी। उसके लिए आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना हरगिज़ मत भूलिएगा। मेरे लेक्चर को और इस वीडियो को स्पेशली अपने फेलो स्टूडेंट तक जरूर पहुंचाइए ताकि मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट अपने मिड टर्म की अच्छी प्रिपरेशन कर सकें। कोई सवाल हो आपका या कोई फीडबैक आप देना चाहें तो जरूर मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में आगाह कीजिएगा। मैं इंशाल्लाह पूरी कोशिश करूंगी आपको टाइमली रिस्पांस देने की। इंशाल्लाह ताला अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ जल्द हाजिर होंगी। तब तक आप सब अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज।